Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to create quick, professional-looking Rush ID templates right in Canva for your digital products or maybe for a client, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to make a clean, polished ID template that you can reuse again and again, and all it takes is just a few simple steps. So let's dive right in and I'll guide you through the whole process. First up, head over to Canva. If you're already logged in, great. If not, signing up is free and super quick. Once you're on the main dashboard, go ahead and look for the Create button. It's usually bright and easy to spot right at the top. Give that a click and then we're going to do something a little different from the usual. We're going to set our own custom size. This is important because setting a consistent template size means all your ID images will perfectly match every single time. For this Rush ID, let's type in 300 by 300 pixels. It might seem small, but for most digital ID cards or batch processes, this square dimension is quick to print and super simple to work with as a product. Now, once you've entered the size, hit the button to create your new design. You'll see a blank square canvas. This is where all the magic happens. Next, let's add the space where your ID photo will go. To do this, head on over to the Elements tab on the left and in the search bar just type in frame. You'll find lots of frame choices, but for IDs, you want to grab a simple rectangular frame. Think of this like the empty picture slot you'd see on any ID. It keeps things uniform and helps whoever's using your template know exactly where their photo should be. Click and drag that rectangular frame onto your canvas and position it wherever you'd like the ID photo to appear. You can make it as large or as small as you want, maybe slightly off-center or right in the middle depending on your style. Now, if you're making a batch of IDs like for school, a club, or selling ID templates as a digital product, this is the time to duplicate that frame. Just select the frame, right-click, and choose Duplicate as many times as you need. Space them out a bit and feel free to adjust the alignment. Don't stress if it's not perfect on the first go. Canva's snap guides will help everything stay in line. Now let's add some visual examples so you can see how your template will actually look. This step is not just for show. Seeing sample photos in the frames helps you check sizing and make sure everything fits before you start sharing or selling your template. Go right back to the Elements tab and type Photo into the search bar. Canva has tons of stock photos you can use for testing. Drag and drop a few different photos into your frames. See how they snap right into place. That's exactly how your actual users' photos will work. And there you have it. You've now got a Rush ID template set up and ready to use, complete with sample images to make sure it all looks pro. From here, you can click Download to save your template or start customizing backgrounds, text, and logos, whatever your digital product needs. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you have any questions about Canva or want more tips on digital products, just leave a comment below. I love hearing from you. And of course, subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow tutorials every week. Thanks for watching and happy designing.